Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best rearview mirror dash cams for 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Auto mirror camera for car 10-inch touchscreen dash cam. This 10-mirror dash cam features a touchscreen interface and includes both front and rear cameras. With its high-definition video recording and black box capabilities, it ensures safe and detailed driving monitoring for better security. The advantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are touchscreen for easy control, front and rear camera coverage, black box function for incident recording. The disadvantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are limited screen size, may need professional installation. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Aprilboy 4K Wi-Fi mirror dash cam with ADAS GPS. This 4K mirror dash cam offers advanced driving assistance with ADAS and BSD features. It also includes external GPS support and night vision, ensuring you can safely navigate day or night. The 24-hour parking monitor ensures continuous vehicle protection. The advantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are ADAS BSD smart driving features, 24-hour parking monitor, 4K video recording quality. The disadvantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are higher price point, requires stable Wi-Fi connection for full functionality. At number 3. Bluavido 12-inch 4G Android mirror dash cam with GPS. This 12-rearview mirror dash cam offers a full Android 8.1 system with 4G connectivity, GPS navigation, and Wi-Fi support. It includes a Bluetooth feature for hands-free use and functions as a complete driving assistant with remote monitoring capabilities. The advantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are built-in GPS and Android system, 4G connectivity for remote monitoring, large 12-inch screen. The disadvantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are requires mobile data for remote features, may consume more battery power. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. HGDO FHD Rearview Mirror Recorder 3-in-1 Dash Cam. This full HD 1080p rearview mirror dash cam features anti-glare technology and a blue mirror for safer driving. It combines 3 functions in one device: dash cam, rearview mirror, and camera monitor for enhanced vehicle safety and convenience. The advantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are anti-glare blue mirror, full HD 1080p video recording, 3-in-1 multifunction design. The disadvantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are limited to 1080p resolution, lacks advanced driving features like ADAS. At number 1. K54G60 4G 10.26-inch Android 13 AI mirror dash cam. This 10.26 mirror dash cam features the latest Android 13 AI technology with built-in GPS, CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. It offers dual lens recording, ensuring full coverage of both the front and rear of your vehicle with exceptional clarity. The advantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are latest Android 13 with AI features, dual lens front and rear cameras, GPS and CarPlay compatibility. The disadvantages of this rearview mirror dash cam are complex setup process,